If you ever feel nervous about speaking English at a hotel, don't worry. This feeling is more common than you think. You walk into a hotel with your bag in your hand, and suddenly, your mind goes quiet. You know what you want, but the words feel far away.
I remember my first time standing at the front desk looking confident from outside but inside. My heart was fast. I kept thinking, what should I say first? What if I say it wrong? What if they don't understand me?
That moment, right there, stops many people from speaking. But today, we're going to change that. Slowly, clearly together.
Let's imagine something simple. You just arrived at the hotel. You walk to the front desk. The staff smiles and looks at you. This is where fear usually starts.
But listen, you don't need perfect English. You don't need long sentences. You can start with something very small. Hello, I have a reservation. Pause. That's it.
If they ask for your name, you say it slowly. If they ask for your ID, you give it. You don't rush.
Many people think they must speak fast, but slow English is clear English.
Now imagine you get your room key and go to your room. You open the door and look around. Everything looks fine. But wait.
The air conditioner is not working. Your first thought is, oh no, how do I say this?
Your heart beats faster. But you don't need to panic. You can go back to the desk or call reception and say, excuse me, the air conditioner's not working. Pause. Can you please help me?
That sentence is polite, that sentence is clear, and it works.
Now let's talk about something else. What if your room is clean, but you need extra things? Extra towels, extra pillows, extra water.
Many people stay silent because they feel shy, but hotels expect these requests. You can say, can I have extra towels, please? Can I get more water? Can you send an extra pillow? Pause.
Short sentences, strong communication.
Now food. This part makes many people nervous. Room service restaurant breakfast time.
You may want to ask, is breakfast included? What time is breakfast? Where is the restaurant?
And if the staff speaks fast, you don't smile and pretend. You say, sorry, can you say that again? Slowly, please.
That sentence is very powerful. It gives you control.
Now let's talk about security. Some hotels ask questions. Some explain rules.
They may talk about key cards, room numbers, or safety rules.
If you feel confused, you don't say yes just to finish. You say, I'm not sure I understand. Can you explain again? Pause.
Clear communication keeps you safe.
Now, imagine. It's night. You're in your room. Something is wrong. Maybe the TV doesn't work. Maybe there is noise. Maybe the room feels uncomfortable.
This is where many people stay quiet. But you don't have to. You can say, there is a problem with my room. Can you please help me?
You don't need to explain everything. Just say the problem.
Now let's talk about checkout. Another stressful moment.
You go to the front desk and say, hello, I would like to check out. Pause.
If you don't understand the bill, you ask, can you please explain this? Is everything included?
Never feel shy about asking questions.
Hotels are busy places. Staff talk to many people from many countries.
You are not a problem.
You are a guest.
And guests ask questions.
Let's slow down for a moment. Breath in, breath out.
Speaking English is not about being perfect.
It's about being understood.
Mistakes are normal.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
Confidence grows when you try.
And every time you speak, you get better.
So next time you enter a hotel, remember this conversation.
You already know what to say.
Slow voice, clear words, calm mind.
You've got this.
And we'll be here with you every step of the way.